Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we were doing a revision of your GK book, and in that row today we were taking this topic, that is games we play. So children, games we play, here is an introduction of different games, like a few of the games which we were playing and few of the games which we were playing earlier, but you all might be not aware of all these games. As the introduction of this chapter I have taken in the class itself, so I hope you all will understand this chapter properly. So children, now we'll start with the introduction of different games. Now, many of these games are the gully games. What do you mean by gully games? Gully games means which were played in the streets, in villages, in the cities, and we do not have a set of rules, a specified set of rules for these games. We make our rules, and according to that rule only we were playing the games. So that is one kind of a game. Now, games are widely divided into two categories: indoor games and outdoor games. For that, we are going to talk later. First of all, let's see different games. Now, do you know how to play first game, that is hopscotch? Now, do you know how to play hopscotch? Might be you all have seen this game hopscotch, but you all are not aware of this game, that okay, this game is called hopscotch. Now hop means jumping, hop means jumping, and scotch means that is drawn on the on the floor or somewhere. So that kind of a game. Now in this game, boxes are drawn on the ground. Boxes are drawn on the ground. The player throw a flat marker. Sometime you have heard that we were playing Stapu. Now Stapu is what? That hopscotch only. If you have not heard, that is the general name of that game. Now a flat marker into each box. Then the player hops on one foot. Then the player hops on one foot from box to box, lifts the marker and hops out of the drawing. Lift the marker and hops out of the drawing. So that is the game. What the player is doing in this game? One, boxes are drawn, means there are more than one box are there. So these boxes are drawn on the floor or on the ground. The player threw a flat marker into each box, means starting with the one up to as many boxes were there. The player has to throw the flat marker in each box, and then that player is going to hop. The player will hop on one foot, and that player will go from box to box, lifts the marker and hops out of the drawing. So that is there in this game, that names hopscotch. So generally the player were playing one or two, or many can also play along with that according to turn wise. Now there are different types of hopscotch, and the method of playing is same. They were throwing flat marker in that particular box and they have to hop that particular box. They are not allowed to put their feet in that box. So that is there in hopscotch. Now, next game which you can see on the screen, that is rubber band jump. Now this game, rubber band jump, is played in China and quite famous game from China. In this game, children loop many rubber band. Children loop many rubber band together to make a large rope. So here in rubber band jump, the children were looping the rubber band one with the other and then they will make a large rope. Now two players hold the rope with their legs. Now two player will hold the rope with their leg. As you can see in the picture, I will scroll that picture. You can see that two boys were stretching that rubber band and standing, and another player jumps over and into the rope. So the third player is supposed to jump and hop into the rope. So that given the name rubber band jump. Now rubber band jump is played mostly in China. In India you will not see this kind of a game. And in this game children make their own loop. It is not like that these kind of a rubber band is available in the market or somewhere. They were looping the rubber band and then making this huge size of rubber band and stretching it. So that is rubber band jump, which is mostly played in China. And two players, now here the number of players is fixed. Like two players we require to stretch the rubber band, and one or more than one player can jump into over and into the rope. So that is there the rubber band jump. And this famous game is from China. This famous gully game is from China. So that is an important thing, that not only in India, not only in our country, in different countries they were playing different gully games, and these gully games plays an important role in their life. Now, as we'll talk about cricket also. So as we will talk about cricket also, cricket again kind of a gully game earlier, but later on we find it out, okay, this kind of a game can be played with a team of 11 people, and then we have made a set of certain rules, and after that games were included in international cricket and all. And similarly it happens with many of the games, but still there are many games which are playing in our surrounding only. And as you can see here, don't you love to play the tops? Now what are tops? Tops are these. You can see this. Tops. So don't you love to play with tops? Tops, or in Hindi it is called lattu. So don't you love to play tops? Tops are made of wood, bamboo or plastic. Nowadays we were getting this plastic one tops also, but earlier we were having, or we were getting tops which are made up of wood and bamboo only. Now some tops light up as they spin. Nowadays we were getting this plastic tops also, and in that one light and LED bulbs are connected with it, and when we push that top, it started light up also, it started lightning also, and different color lights were there. Don't you love to play with tops? Now tops generally, the village area, the children, those who were there, they were playing with tops which are made up of wood, and they will color it, make it colorful, and then they were playing with that tops. So what is the method to play? They will tie that tops with a rope having one knot on one side, and that knot on one side will allow them to take it out that uh, rope from that tops. So then top is tied with that rope, and then forcefully it was thrown on the ground. And when it was thrown on the ground, it started rotating, and they will stretch the rope from that top. So that is the method to play tops, and generally you will find it out in village areas. No? The children, they are quite expert in playing these tops. And nowadays we will be having that gun like top also available. So that gun like top, that will be pushed, and then it will started rotating on the ground, and then they are easily playing with that tops. So different types of tops, and playing with that is same. If you are taking that plastic one, so gun, you will also get a gun with that to play with, and bamboo or plastic, so that is supposed to tied with a rope, and then you are going to throw it on the floor, and then throw it on the floor, and then it started rotating, and then you will take it out that thread, or take it out that rope from that top. So that is there. Now let's move to the next game, that is blind man's buff. Now here I was talking about that thing only, blind man's buff. Blind man's buff is an outdoor game where one player is blindfolded. Now here outdoor game, one word has came, outdoor game. Now children, all the games were described or were categorized, were divided into two types of game. What are two types of game? Indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games are those which can play inside your house also, inside your boundary only, for which you don't require to go outside or go in ground, or you need a open area. So that is your indoor game. Outdoor game, in for which you required an open area, open space, and which cannot be played inside a room. So that is your outdoor game. See, blind man's buff is an outdoor game because if you will be blindfolded and you will be playing it inside your house, then what will happen? You can get hurt, something can be broken also in your house. So that is not comfortable to play inside your house. So this blind man's buff is an outdoor game where one player is blindfolded by tying a piece of cloth over his eyes, and he tries to catch the others. Now one child in this blind man's buff is blindfolded, means उसकी आँख पे ऐसे पट्टी बांध देते हैं that he won't be able to see anything, और उसके बाद he has to find it out the other players, other children, those who were playing in that game, without opening his or her eyes. तो वो blind ही रहेगा. Blind means which one who won't be able to see. So from that only this game has taken the name, because इसमें क्या करते हैं हम, एक person को will became blind, तो उसके how we will make him or her blind, तो दैट इज़ ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड के बाद तो उसको हम आँख पे पट्टी बांध देते हैं. ही और शी वोंट बी एबल टू सी एनीथिंग, उसको कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, तो वो दैट प्लेयर विल बिकम ब्लाइंड. सो ब्लाइंड मैन बफ इज एन आउटडोर गेम वेर वन प्लेयर इज ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड. उनको ब्लाइंड फोल्ड कर दिया और बाय टाइंग अ पीस ऑफ क्लोथ, आँख पे कपड़ा बांध करके, और उसके बाद उनको ब्लाइंड फोल्ड करने के बाद he has to catch the others. As many players those who were playing in that game, उसको बाकी जितने भी players हैं, he has to catch the others play. So that is blind man's buff. Actually इसका अगर आप भी खेलते होगे, आँख मिचौली बोलते हैं. In Hindi we called it आँख मिचौली. तो आँख मिचौली is a name of a player, this game that is blind man buffs, and it mostly played by everyone. आज भी आप लोग खेलते हैं, अभी भी हम लोग खेलते हैं. That is blind man's buff. And you often have seen many of times, आप घर में भी खेलते होगे ये, कभी मम्मा पापा के साथ भी आपने खेला होगा. So that is blind man buff is a very common game. So children, with this we have done first few games. Now we'll come to next, hide and seek. Hide and seek. Now what do you mean by hide and seek? As you can see in this picture, one girl is standing by closing her eyes. Hide and seek can be played anywhere. Now hide and seek can be played anywhere. One player closes his or her eyes while the other player hide. Hide and seek can be played anywhere. One player closes his or her eyes while the other player hide. Now the seeker has to find all the other players. Now first of all, hide and seek. Hide means uh, छुप जाना. Seek means ढूंढना. Fine. तो hide means here, hide means one who hide, जो एक छुप जाएगा. Seek मतलब दूसरा जो उसको ढूंढेगा. तो कैन बी प्लेड एनीवेयर, इसको हम कहीं पे भी खेल सकते हैं. नाउ वन कैटेगराइजेशन वी हैव डन इन दैट आउटडोर एंड इंडोर गेम. सो हेयर वी डोंट रिक्वायर दैट कैटेगराइजेशन. इसको हम कहीं पे भी खेल सकते हैं. ठीक है, बाहर भी खेल सकते हैं एंड इनसाइड आवर हाउस ऑल्सो. नाउ वन प्लेयर क्लोजेज हिज और हर आईज वाइल द अदर प्लेयर हाइड. एक प्लेयर अपनी आंखें बंद कर लेगा and the other one is going to hide. Now one who closes his or her eyes, that is considered as seeker, and the seeker has to find all the other players. Now the first one found is the next seeker. The first one found is the next seeker, and the last one found is the winner of the round. So this hide and seek game is played in a round 1, round 2, round 3. As many times the seeker will close his eyes, his or her eyes, that will become that many rounds. Round 1, round 2, round 3. So hide and seek can be played anywhere, and one player closes his or her eyes while the other player hide. One person is going to close the eyes and the rest will hide themselves somewhere, and it can be played anywhere. It is not necessary that inside your house you cannot play, or outside in the playground only you are supposed to play. You can play this hide and seek game anywhere, and one of the player will close the eye and the rest of the player they will hide themselves. Now the first ones which is found is the next seeker in the next round, and the last one is the winner of that round. So said that is hide and seek. Now we'll come to next, that is in Kabaddi. Kabaddi, I hope you all have heard about Kabaddi, but there are certain rules of playing that Kabaddi that we are going to see right now. What are the different rules of playing Kabaddi? Now in Kabaddi, the player of one team, first of all, Kabaddi is a game, is a gully game, as well as that game is played in Olympic also. Now this game is played in a team. 2 teams will be required and 6 players are there in each team. Like team 1 is having 6 players, team 2 is having 6 players. Now in Kabaddi, the player of one team called the raider has to go to the other side. One player of one team is called raider and he has to go to the other side. Other side means to the other team. Now the raider has to touch the player of the opposite team. Now the raider means player of first team which went into the side or on the sides of other team has to touch the player of the opposite team while saying Kabaddi loudly in one breath. Means this is a game which allows all the activity in one breath. Once your breath will be over, that one turn will be over. So that is by saying Kabaddi loudly and in one breath. The player of the opposite team, the players of the opposite team try and catch the raider. Now what the other team is going to do it, they'll try to catch the raider, that he won't be able to return back in his team. If he comes back to his side while saying Kabaddi, the player of the opposite team, he has touched are out. If the raider runs out of breath and stops saying Kabaddi before he returns, he is considered out. Now children, what is this game? This is a game which is called Kabaddi. Hopefully, might be you have not played it. But what is the game? This game is considered as a game of 2 teams. 6 players are there in each team. From one team, एक टीम में से एक जो प्लेयर है वो दूसरी साइड पे जाएगा लगातार कंटिन्यूसली कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलते हुए, एंड ही हैज़ टू टच एनीवन, किसी को टच करके एंड देन उसको भाग करके अपनी तरफ अपनी साइड पे आना है. अगर अपनी साइड पे नहीं आ गया वो और दूसरी टीम के प्लेयर्स ने उसको पकड़ लिया एंड ही रन्स आउट ऑफ ब्रेथ, मीन्स उसने कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलना बंद कर दिया, तो उसको हम कंसीडर करेंगे कि वो आउट है, वो आउट है. नेक्स्ट, अगर वो कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलते बोलते ही केम इनटू हिज एरिया, अपनी टीम की साइड पे आ गया, तो द प्लेयर विच हैव टच्ड, जो दूसरी टीम के प्लेयर हैं जिसने उसको टच किया है या उसने जिसको भी टच किया है, दे विल कंसीडर्ड एज आउट. फाइन. So that is a game, and this game is a Olympic game also. Nowadays it is playing in Olympic also. That is an important kind of a game, kabaddi. See this, in this picture you can see the other team players will do all their labor to stop them. कैसे भी तो करके उसको रोकना ही रोकना है, कैसे भी करके उसको रोकना है, उसको कैसे भी करके उधर पे बांध करके रखना है कि उसकी सांस जब तक ख़त्म ना हो जाए. और अगर वो स्टॉप सेइंग कबड्डी एक बारी उसकी सांस ख़त्म हो जाएगी, फिर वो उसको हम कंसीडर करते आउट. So that is kabaddi is a game of one breath. See, two teams were there. एक पर्सन आया, अभी यहाँ पे देखो, एक पर्सन आया एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द टीम इज गोइंग टू उसको पकड़ करके रख रही हैं यहाँ पे. सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन विल कम टू क्विक क्विज. You have to write the name of these indoor games. You have to write name of these indoor games, and you can see in the help box. Now all these are indoor games. As I told you, what is the difference between indoor and outdoor games, so that you will remember. And indoor games which are played inside your house. So this chess, the first one is chess. Chess is a kind of a indoor games we can play inside our houses. So chess, and chess is a quite interesting games. Now chess is considered in different competition, championships also. Fine. So many players, Vishwanathan Anand, that is a huge name in chess player. Now this chess is played in different categories also, and again set of certain rules are there to playing that chess. Now the next indoor game is Ludo. This though you all are aware of it, that Ludo though you might have played everyone. And the third one is Scrabble. Word Scrabble, making words with this different alphabets. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed today's session, in which we have seen different games and different games which were played with different set of rules. Few of the games you were also playing: hopscotch, rubber band jump, tops, hide and seek. Then after hide and seek we have hide and seek, then blind man's buff, then kabaddi. So if you have not played these games, I want that you all will play all these games for once, except this rubber band jump. Because this rubber band jump, sometime that rubber band will be broken and you can got hurt. So except this rubber band jump, I want that all these games you will try once, you will play once, and I hope you all will enjoy this game. And in the class I'm going to ask for few more gully games, and you have to describe those gully games. So right now I'm going to finish this session, and you all will read this about different games, that is hopscotch, rubber band jump, then tops, blind man's buff, hide and seek, kabaddi. What are the certain rules of kabaddi, क्या क्या हैं, certain rules क्या हैं kabaddi के, and then what is the difference between indoor and outdoor games, indoor and outdoor games में क्या difference है, that also you will see. And quick quiz, name of few indoor games and name of like 5 indoor games and 5 outdoor games, you have to name it. So that is your homework. When you will see this video, you have to name 5 indoor games and 5 outdoor games. Now children, I am going to finish the class. That's all for today children. Have a good day.